Must have been just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue. Okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them. I never want to see them. Yeah. I broke your heart, moved to the city in a broke down car. 3 years, no calls, couldn't complete a hotel bar. And I can't stop. Closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner. All the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay.